Hello guys and welcome to my...
Sorry, but we are busy here. Can you go straight to the point, please?
Okay, here is how to create a talking photo for free. Go to Hedra AI or click the link in the description below and it'll take you to this page. You can join their Discord if you like, or simply click here to log in using your Google account. Once you're done, it will take you to this page. You can write your script here, click here to upload your audio file, or start recording your voice by clicking here. Drag and drop the image you want to animate here, or click here to upload it. If you want to generate the voiceover, write your script here. Click here to select the voice you want to use, and then click here to generate the video. Click here to preview the video generated, and if satisfied, click here to download. You can find all the videos you have generated here and check out videos that others have created. You can use Hedra to generate the image if you don't have one ready. To do so, copy and paste your prompt here and then click here to generate. Here is the image. If you want to download it, just click here. To animate the image, write your text here, select the voice you want to use, and click here to generate. Here is the results.
Hello, I'm happy to see you.
Click here to download. You get 5 videos per day in the free plan. If you want to generate more videos, you can subscribe to one of their plans.
Thank you, but the size of the video is too small to be posted on YouTube or any other social media platform. How do I change it?
To change the size of the video, go to Canva, click on Create a Design and select Video. On the left panel, click on Upload and click here to upload the video. Add it to the timeline and adjust the size. Click on Edit Video and click here to remove the background. Click on Elements and write Living Room on the search bar. Select a background and add it to the timeline like this. Do a right click to open this menu and click here to set the image as the background. Here is the result.
Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you find it useful so far. Thank you.
This is amazing, but I can't post a video with that watermark. How do I remove it?
To remove the watermark, you can simply hide it by dragging the video down and adjusting the size of the character like this. To download, just click here and then confirm the download. You can also use a Watermark Remover AI like 123 apps. Here is how to do it. Click the link in the description below and it will take you to this page. Scroll down and click on Remove Logo from Video. Click here to upload the video or simply drop the file here. Select the watermark or the logo you want to remove and click on Apply. As you can see, the watermark has been removed. To download, click here, click Export and then click Save. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to start creating your own talking photos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to write them in the comments section below. Until next time, keep creating and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.